Hello my beauties, I'm sure you guys have experienced back pains and more specifically lower back pains, or maybe you know someone who gets them. So I normally experience this around the time of the month, and also when I've been sitting in a bad posture I get these sharp pains in my lower back, and it's not only annoying but it's crippling. So today I'm going to go through some of the things that you should avoid doing, exercises to prevent them, and of course traditional Chinese remedies to treat back pains. But first, let's talk about back pains. Studies have shown over 3 million cases of lower back pain each year, and about 80% of all Americans will suffer lower back pain at least once in their life. So obviously this affects a lot of people. Back pains can affect people of any age, but most commonly it affects adults between 35 to 55 years old. Lower back pain is usually caused by an injury to a muscle like a strain or maybe a sprain, poor posture, improper lifting, lack of exercise or excessive exercising. These are all very common causes for back pain. And of course, there are the severe cases like ruptured or bulging disc, bone fracture, arthritis, osteoporosis, shingles, and other illnesses like spine cancer and infections. For cases like this, it is best to seek professional advice and treatments, as sometimes surgery might be required. If your job requires you to stand or sit for long periods of time carrying or lifting heavy things, then you should really get into a healthy back massage routine. You'd be surprised how easily you can sprain or strain your back muscles, bending awkwardly or sneezing, or even overstretching or twisting your body the wrong way, as well as stress like depression, anxiety, pregnancy, smoking, and being overweight can all cause this sort of pains. So a few tips to prevent back pains include regular exercise, as it strengthens the muscles around the back and it helps to maintain a balanced body weight. When standing, make sure you stand upright, head facing forward, and balance the weight on both feet. And when you're sitting down, make sure you have a good chair with a lot of back support and a swivel base. So you keep your knees and your hips leveled and your feet flat on the floor. Avoid crossing your legs or hunching your back. And when you're moving things or lifting heavy objects, remember, do not lift and twist at the same time. Try to push things as opposed to pull. So avoid wearing super high heels. I know, I love them. But switching to flats just for a couple of hours can help give your back and your legs a break. Okay, so now let's talk about some of the foods that you can incorporate into your daily life that can help prevent and soothe a back pain. Number 1, ginger. Ginger is known to boost blood circulation and fight inflammation at the same time. It also warms up the body, which helps to ease symptoms of arthritis and osteoporosis. Number 2, olive oil. There have been many studies on olive oil and its health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil contains a substance similar to ibuprofen, which is similar to like Advil or children's Panadol that treats mild pain. Number 3, salmon. Salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids, which provides a ton of benefits, but more importantly, it will reduce any inflammation and protects you against pain. Number 4, almonds. They are high in calcium, which is not only great for growing bones, but it keeps them strong as well. Number 5, deep colored fruits and vegetables like broccoli, kale, berries, grapes all contain rich anti-inflammatory agents, as well as providing you with nutrients and minerals for healthy bones. Number 6, apples. They say eating an apple a day will keep the doctor away. Apples contain the substance which helps to build collagen that is required to maintain a healthy cartilage in your body as well as for your back. Okay, now let's move on to the pressure points. Number 1, find your belly button, place 2 fingers below your belly button, and then the point is directly under it. Massage this point for 2 minutes. The second pressure point is on your waistline. Place hands around your waist, and the point where your thumb is the pressure point. Massage this point for 2 minutes, and you can also massage closer in towards the spine. These points can help release the tension on the back. The next pressure point can be a little difficult to locate. First, place both hands on the back, measuring the end of your palm along the waistline. The point is where your middle finger is, and you can change it to your thumb for a better grip. Massage this point for 2 minutes. The next pressure point is directly behind the kneecap, similar to when you get a leg cramp. Firmly press in and massage for 2 minutes. The next pressure point is on the top of your foot, between your first and second toe. The point is between the joints where the softest part is. This point will not only help with back pain, but can also help you heal faster. Massage both feet for 2 minutes each. The last pressure point is on the sole of your foot. It is located right under the ball of your foot. You can use both hands to massage this point. Remember to massage both feet, and that's it. Okay, so that was it. I hope you find this video somewhat helpful. Remember to share this with your family and friends or whoever suffers from lower back pain, because girl, I know I get them once a month. And I hope you guys had a lovely week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!